I like chocolate, but I don't like chocolate cake. He likes Spanish movies, but he doesn't like Chinese novels. She likes coffee, but she doesn't like tea. They like going jogging. He likes listening to music, but he doesn't like going to concerts. I like walking, but I don't like skiing. I like living in Canada, but I don't like the cold. She likes him. He likes her. I like you. Do you like me? Do you like my sister? Would you like my sister's telephone number? Would you like a chocolate? Would you like to go to the cinema this evening? What would you like to do this weekend? Would you like anything to drink? I would like to work there. Would you like to visit Canada? Yes, I would like to go live.